Hey y'all, welcome back to my video, and today I'm going to be doing a video on 10 things that can damage your locks. So these are 10 things that you definitely don't want to do to your locks. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to be giving y'all facts on 10 things to never do to your locks. Never. Number 1, never retwist or style your hair dry. Never. Like, never let nobody do your hair dry. Never retwist or style your hair dry. I don't care if it's just a little quick 1, 2, up to style. Don't do dry locks. Make sure your hair is either shampooed or damped. Again, a good reason to use Royal Crown Hair Growth Oil Hydration Mist. Number 2, don't do no, I know y'all be seeing all kind of stuff on YouTube, but don't be doing no crazy experiments with your locks. Like, just use all natural ingredients. Like, don't do nothing crazy. Just no crazy stuff. Number 3, don't cut those frizzes on your locks. No. It would damage your locks in the long run. Those frizzies, they go catch themselves and lock back in. If you cut them, it will start thinning out your locks. So don't let nobody cut your frizzies, or don't cut your frizzies. Number 4, start waiting like 2 to 3 weeks, 2 to 3 months. I know some people that goes like long time, but don't wait that long to shampoo your hair. Like, your hair is like a plant. It needs water to grow. So you starving your hair of water and nutrients for 2 to 3 weeks, 2 to 3 months. You're gonna have dry, brittle hair. Really. And hair grows from a clean scalp, so you might want to go over to my website and check out my Rosemary Mint shampoo and my mint deep conditioner. Like, go ahead, check it out. You can pause this video, go check it out, or come back. Number 5, stop wearing tight styles for a long period of time. And I used to do that. I am a witness of that. I used to like wear tight styles for like 3 to 4 weeks, and I had to stop doing that. But yes, it caused breakage and tension on the scalp. You can definitely pull those edges out. We definitely need our edges. Number 6, every DIY is not made for locks. It might be good for short hair. It might be good for loose hair. Everything is not made to do on locks. It's just not. Like, we're locked and we're special. Everything is not made for us. Remember that. Do not neglect your locks. You need to clean your locks. You need to oil your scalp. You need retwist unless you're free-forming, but you still need to, like, even with free-form, you still need to tend to your hair. If you don't know how to color and bleach your hair, don't do it yourself. Go to somebody who knows how to do it. Go to a professional. I highly recommend this now. You do not know how to color and bleach your locks, don't do it. Number 9, do not tie knots to repair thinning locks. I did that too, and it does make your locks lumpy. It doesn't give an appealing appearance. Like, I like to have smooth looking locks, so I had to stop doing that too. It was a lot of stuff that I had to stop doing to my locks, but I just was like, damn. But yeah, don't do the knot to try to fix little thin areas. Don't do that. Just look at, it's other ways that you can repair locks, and just look into other ways that you can repair your locks. Just take care of your hair. And number 10, prevent from getting sand and dirt in your locks. Now, I know when you go to the beach, but I know you ain't gonna be putting your head all in the sand, but just prevent from getting a lot of dirt and sand in your hair. Just keep it covered up if you think you want to be around dirt and sand, because it's about next to impossible to get dirt and sand out of your locks. Like, trust me, my kids, I got 3 boys, and I remember a time one of my sons, we was at the beach with my son for a whole pail of sand on my son's head, and that's another story for another day. But those are 10 things to never do to your locks. But as always, thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, invite people in. You know, we all family here. Hey, cousin. Hey. So yeah, invite other people, invite other family to enjoy the J.Lashae Creations experience. So, but if you have any questions about hair, my hair products, go over to my Instagram at JLashaeCreation or my hair products Instagram at Royal Crown Hair Growth Oil. And you can just click the link on my bio and it will take you straight to my website where you could purchase your handmade, all natural hair products. I mean, like, who doesn't want, like, and I just did my hair. So this is I use my shampoo, my conditioner, my hair and body butter, and my hair growth oil. This is my hair. So yeah, make sure y'all go check me out. Show me some love. Peace.